So now let's add an assembly. I'll go back here to the RS Means cost library, but let's now pick assemblies. And we have to switch hierarchies because the RS Means assemblies are organized differently. But actually, for my purposes, let's try and search. I'm going to search for a slab. And now we can see all the items, all the assemblies that have slab in the name, and also all the WBSs that have slab in the name. So let's just add this assembly here. And now we've added this RS Means assembly. Now I will use the takeoff calculator because with assemblies, it's very important from RS Means. They take a single property, which is the area here. And so let's say it's my same slab, which is 200 square feet. And now I can click the Add button here, and now it will quantify all the members of the assembly.